On this last morning of Advent, we stand right at the doorway between God's promise and its fulfillment. In the first reading, God reassures David of a kingdom that will last forever. What may seem impossible to us is already unfolding in God's quiet and faithful way. His promise is not about power or greatness, but about His faithfulness. God always keeps His word. In the Gospel, we hear the song of Zechariah. Once silent because of doubt, he now proclaims mercy and salvation. He comes gently, like the first light of dawn, to lead us into the way of peace. As night falls and Christmas begins, we see how God fulfills His promise, not with grandeur, but in Jesus, born of Mary, welcomed by Joseph, and entering His human history with humility and love. Today, let us pause and ask ourselves, am I open to recognizing God's faithfulness in the quiet moments of my life? May we welcome Christ not only in our celebrations, but in our everyday lives, and allow His light to guide us in peace. Ngayong araw, itanong natin sa ating sarili, handa ba akong makilala ang Diyos sa mga tahimik na sandali ng aking buhay? Ako po si Mayet Bugawan, miyembro ng Teresian Association at dating Secretary ng Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa pakikiisa. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Naway ang liwanag ni Kristo ang gumabay sa ating mga hakbang tungo sa kapayapaan.